Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and exploring its incredible stages. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting journey. So, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It allows them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like recognizing patterns, learning from experience, and making decisions. AI evolves through different stages, and the first one is called artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. ANI is like a specialist in a specific field. It excels at one task, and you've probably interacted with it many times. Examples include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, and recommendation algorithms that suggest movies or products you might like. The next stage is where things get really exciting. It's called Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI is like the Renaissance person of AI. It's the all-rounder. AGI can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like humans. It's versatile and can transfer its skills from one domain to another, making it super impressive. Now hold on to your seats, because we're going even further, beyond human intelligence. Welcome to the realm of artificial superintelligence, or ASI. ASI is like a genius on steroids. It goes beyond human intelligence and possesses intellectual capabilities far superior to us. ASI could potentially outperform humans in almost every field, from scientific research to creative endeavors. It's important to remember that while ANI is here and AGI is still a theoretical concept, ASI is a future possibility that raises intriguing questions about the future of technology and humanity. And there you have it, the stages of AI, from specialized tasks in ANI to the versatile abilities of AGI and the potential superintelligence of ASI. What do you think about the future of AI? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it fascinating, subscribe to our channel for more tech content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest developments in the world of AI. Thanks for joining us on this tech adventure. Until next time, keep embracing the wonders of artificial intelligence, and I'll see you in the next video.